everyone. In this video, I will discuss to you arithmetic sequence. So arithmetic sequence, it is a sequence of numbers such that the difference of any two successive members of the sequence is a constant. So we have here the formula. So a sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus the quantity of n minus 1 times d. So a sub n here is the term that you want to find. And a sub 1 here is the first term in the list of ordered numbers. Your n here is the term position. And your d here is the common difference of any pair of consecutive or successive numbers. Let's proceed to our example. So example number 1, find the 25th term in the arithmetic sequence 5, 9, 13, and 17. So we will write the given first. Okay. So our a sub 1 or the first term is equal to 5. So our n is equal to 25 because we are looking for the 25th term. So our n is 25. Our d, the common difference. So to find the common difference, so we have 9 minus 5 equals 4. 13 minus 9 is also 4. 17 minus 13 equals 4. Notice that they have a constant difference which is 4. So therefore, our d or the common difference here is 4. So to solve for the 25th term, of course, we will use the formula. Okay, for the arithmetic sequence, a sub n equals a sub 1 plus the quantity of n minus 1 times your common difference d. So we need to find for the 25th term. So we have here a sub 25, okay, equals our first term. We will substitute. Our first term here, or a sub 1, is 5. Plus, our n is equal to 25 minus 1 times the common difference here, our d is 4. Okay, so we will copy. So the 25th term, so we will copy 5 plus 25 minus 1 is 24 times 4. So, a sub 25 is equal to 5. So, 24 times 4 is equal to 96. So, we have the 25th term. So, 5 plus 96 is 101. So therefore, our 25th term in the arithmetic sequence 5, 9, 13, 17 is equal to 101. So this will be our 25th term. Let's proceed to our example number 2. Find the 136th term in the arithmetic sequence for negative 1, negative 6, and negative 11. So we will identify first the given. So our first term, or a sub 1, is equal to 4. Okay? So our n, since we will find the 136th term, so our n is 136. Okay, so for the common difference d, so we have to subtract, okay, negative 1 minus 4. So negative 1 minus 4 is equal to negative 5. Okay, so if you are confused in subtracting integers, so you can visit our previous vlog, subtracting integers. Okay, so let's proceed. Let's go back. Negative 6 minus negative 1. Okay, so we will change the sign of the subtrahend, proceed to addition. So this will become negative 6 plus positive 1 is negative 5. Okay, next, negative 11 minus negative 6. So this will become negative 5. So notice that they have a common difference which is equal to negative 5. So therefore, our D is negative 5. So we will use the arithmetic formula. So we have here a sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus the quantity of n minus 1 times d. So let's substitute. So our n is 136. So our a sub 1 or the first term here is 4. Okay, plus our n is 136 minus 1 times d. Our d is negative 5. So a sub 136 is equal to, we will copy 4, okay, plus the quantity of 136 minus 1 is 135. Okay, we will multiply it to negative 5. So, a sub 36 is equal to, okay, we'll copy 4. 135 times negative 5 is negative 675. Okay, so a sub 36 is equal to, so 4 plus negative 675 is negative 671. So our 136th term in the arithmetic sequence 4, negative 1, negative 6, negative 11 is equal to negative 671. I'm sorry, it's a sub 136, not 36. So a sub 136 is equal to negative 671. So therefore, the 136th term in this arithmetic sequence is equal to negative 671. Okay, let's proceed to our example number 3. If one term in the arithmetic sequence is a sub 13 equals negative 20 and the common difference is d equals negative 4. So letter A, you have to write the rule that can find any term in the sequence, and letter B, find the 130th term or a sub 130. So we will identify first the given. Okay, so our a sub 13 is equal to negative 20. Okay, our D or common difference is negative 4. So our n here is 13. Okay, so we will use the formula of arithmetic sequence in finding the value of a sub 1. So a sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus the quantity of n minus 1 times d. So we have here a sub n, a sub 13, because our n is 13. So a sub 1 is a known, plus n, which is equal to 13, minus 1 times the common difference d is negative 4. So a sub 13 equals a sub 1 plus 13 minus 1 is 12 times negative 4. So a sub 13 equals a sub 1 plus 12 times negative 4 is negative 48. By the way, a sub 13 here is negative 20. So, okay, equals a sub 1 plus negative 48. So, using the addition property of equality, we will just add positive 48 both sides. Okay, so we can rewrite this as a sub 20 equals a sub 1 minus 48. So we will add 48 both sides. So this will become 0. So negative 20 plus 48 is 28. So our first term is equal to 28. So a sub 1 is equal to 28. Okay, so we will check first using the formula. Okay, so the formula is a sub n equals a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. So a sub n is equal to, our first term is 28, okay, plus n, or times the quantity of n minus 1 times d, which is equal to negative 4. So we will use this formula, okay, to check whether a sub 13 is indeed negative 120. So this is now the answer for our letter A. Okay, this is now our rule. A sub n is equal to 28 plus the quantity of n minus 1 times negative 4. But we will check first if indeed a sub 13 is equal to negative 20. Okay, so we will check if a sub 13 is indeed negative 20. Okay, we'll check. So a sub 13 equals, we will use this formula, 28 plus n, so in this case our n is 13, minus 1 times negative 4. So a sub 13 is equal to, copy 28 plus 13 minus 1 is 12 times negative 4. Okay, so a sub 13 equals 28 plus 12 times negative 4 is negative 48. So if you want to refresh your knowledge in multiplying integers, so you can visit our previous video, multiplying integers. Okay, so a sub 13. So 28 plus negative 48 is negative 20. Correct. So therefore, it's correct that our a sub 13 is indeed negative 20. So we are sure that this formula is also correct. So let's proceed to letter B. Find the 130th term, or a sub 130. So we will write first the given. So our n is 130. Okay, our n is 130. So our d, it's already given, which is negative 4. And a sub 1 is equal to 28. Okay, and we are finding for a sub 130. Okay, so we will be using this formula. Okay, so a sub n is equal to 28 plus the quantity of n minus 1 times negative 4. So our a sub n, okay, we are finding for a sub 130. Okay, we will copy 28 plus our n, which is equal to 130. Okay, minus 1 times negative 4. Okay, so a sub 130 equals 28 plus 130 minus 1 is 129 times negative 4. Okay, so a sub 130 equals 28 plus, so 129 times negative 4 is equal to negative 516. So we will add 28 and negative 516. So it is equal to, so a sub 130 is equal to negative 488. Okay, so therefore the 130 30th term, or a sub 130 of this sequence is equal to negative 488. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to share, like, subscribe, and click the notification bell for more videos.